Hi everyone, welcome to another real life English vlog. Today we are visiting the zoo. You will see some amazing animals, learn English and pick up a lots of new vocabularies all through real life experiences. So sit back, relax and let English come to you naturally. This is the parking where we park our vehicles. So we have parked our vehicle. Now we are going to get the ticket so that we could go inside the mall. He is standing in the queue and buying the ticket. So he is buying the ticket. So now as I have got the ticket, I will enter inside the zoo. This is the entrance of the zoo. So now we have entered the zoo. Let's see which animal we find the first. So this is the map of the zoo. Here we can find the each and different section of the zoo. Like if we want to go directly to a specific place, we can just go directly. For example, if I have to go to the museum, I can just check the museum, state museum, and the paddle boarding, the giraffe and parrot. So these are different animals that I'm going to see in this zoo, and this is the map of the zoo. So right now I am here. It is saying that you are here. Okay, so now I can just move around and look different animals in the zoo. Take a look on this statue. It's look very realistic, and the man is wearing some traditional cloth and he is using a musical instrument, and there is a snake right in front of him, and the snake is coming out of the basket. So nothing is real here, everything is a piece of art. So the man is using this instrument and the snake is coming out of the basket, and there is greenery around this statue, and this is a fence so that no one could go inside this. Look at these deers. There are so many deers. Some are eating leaves, so they are eating leaves, and some are walking around. So there are so many deers. Look at that snake. That is very huge. I don't know what's the name of that snake, but that's very huge. There are stones inside this glass, so they are inside the glass. Look this one. This is very long. So now we are going to go inside this Saras auditorium. There is some show, let me show you. It's a wildlife movie 2D show. So now we are inside the wildlife show. So let's watch it. This is dustbin in which you can put the garbage. So this is dustbin. This part of the zoo is for the children's. So here are so many characters, like cartoon characters. Here we have Mowgli. Have you ever seen a tiger in real life? Let me show you. There it is. The tiger is resting under a big tree on a concrete platform. A tiger also has some strips. So look at those strips, and it is resting on a concrete under a big tree. That's the artificial concrete cave, and in that the tigers could rest and sleep. So that is a cave, and over there the tiger is walking. Look at this beautiful bird. It has a long beak, a long neck, and also long legs. It's just standing quietly. What a graceful bird. I think it is in depression. So far we haven't found the lion, and I'm actually excited about the lion only, but I haven't found the lion so far. Look at those. They are pelicans and they are standing near the water. and some are cleaning their feathers, and while some are just standing. So they are under the tree by the water. So we have finally found the giraffe. It has a very long neck. I think it's eating something. So they have long necks so that they could reach the higher branches to eat the leaves. So now as we are hungry, we are going to eat something. So we have the menu, so from which we can select the item we need to eat. So we want to eat chola bhatura. So we have ordered chola bhatura and we are waiting here. We are sitting on the chairs, and here we have the table, and these are the sauce. So we are waiting for chola bhatura. We are very hungry. We just want to devour all the food. So finally we have arrived at the location where we could find the lions. So let's see the lion in the real life. For the first time I'm going to see the lion in real life. Can you guess why we are waiting here? Actually we are waiting for the lion, and we have been searching for the lion for last 1 or 2 hours. Finally we have found the location where we could find the lion, but the lion is inside that. We are waiting here. Behind me there is a tiger, white tiger, but it's not the real. That one is fake or dummy tiger, but we are waiting for the real one. So let's see how long do we have to wait for the real lion. So while we are waiting for the lion to come off its cave, let me tell you something. This is the second time I am visiting this zoo. Once I had come in 2019 or 2018. So this is the second time. Last time I came to this zoo, I saw the lion and it was very weak. But today we came here after about 6 or 7 years. But so far we haven't seen the lion. We are waiting here, and we found this location after searching for 1 or 2 hours, because this is a very large zoo. So we are waiting here, I with my friend Matlu. So we are waiting here. Unfortunately we could not see the real lion. So here is a lion statue. Look at its paws, it's very huge. So you can imagine how powerful a lion is. And behind the lion there is a zebra, and we have tiger here, and this one is, I think, the female lion. I don't know, but I think this is a female lion, and this is the lion, the king of the forest. Look at the crocodile. It's out of the water. So I think the crocodile is sleeping. And behind this crocodile there is a crocodile in the water. That one is swimming inside the water. So there are two crocodile in this frame. This one is outside of the water and that one is inside the water. Now the crocodile is moving. That is its tail, its face and the body, the middle part of his body. And here we have peacock. Its tail is very long. There are three peacock. You must have heard a very famous story of a rabbit and a turtle. Let me show you the turtle today. So here we have the turtle, and I think it's relaxing because it has won the race against the rabbit. So the turtle is now relaxing beside the water near the stones. So these are stones and that is turtle. I hope you liked the video and learned something new in English. Subscribe the channel for more such English related content. See you in the next video.